everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily log out of your Crunchyroll application using your mobile device. To log out or sign out of Crunchyroll app is super easy. Unlock your mobile device and tap open the Crunchyroll app to open it. Once you're in the home page of Crunchyroll, tap the account button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up your account section, from where you'll need to scroll all the way down and look for the log out button. Once you find the log out button, simply tap on that and you have now been redirected to the login section, which means you have successfully been logged out of your account. And that way you can easily sign out or log out of Crunchyroll app on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Crunchyroll tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.